In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to request LAANC authorization with OpenSky. Let's get into it. So if you're watching this video, chances are you are a new drone pilot or you're switching to OpenSky from an app like AirMap after there's been so many issues. AirMap was my go-to app for a long time, but because of so many issues with the app and randomly losing LAANC authorization numerous times, I've decided to switch to OpenSky. OpenSky is a great app and it's very easy to use. First thing you want to do is download OpenSky and set up your Part 107 license in the app. It does take a little bit of time for it to get approved, but after that you'll be able to easily request LAANC authorization with no problem. You also need to add your drone, just like AirMap, so it's pretty much the same thing, it's just a little bit of a different process. So what you guys are looking at right now is my screen on my iPhone, and we are in OpenSky. What you want to do is you want to hover over the area where you want the authorization, which is my current location. I'm going to zoom in here, and once you find the area where you want authorization, you just tap Get Approval. Now you will choose your radius. So I'm going to drag this out to cover this park at least, because that's where I'm flying today. And if we scroll up here, you can see LAANC auto approval ready, a bunch of other information. It tells you license information added, rules for daylight and nighttime operations, temporary flight restriction, restricted special use airspace and special use airspace. We have all green check marks, so we're clear in all those areas. So I'm just going to tap continue. Now under here you're going to choose when you're flying, your duration. So I'm going to choose 45 minutes. Actually I'm going to do 1 hour. And max altitude. Now what I like about this app is it'll automatically set the max altitude that's allowed in this area. The flight ceiling where I'm standing right now is 300 feet due to the airport that's close by to here. So I'm gonna go with the 300 and flight rule Part 107. Then you're gonna tap continue. And in here, it's gonna have you choose your drone. Today we're flying with the brand new DJI Mavic 3, so I'm gonna select that one. Tap continue, and in here you will see your name, your phone number, remote pilot certificate information, and I'm just going to tap submit. It'll load, it'll take a second here, and then it'll say success, your flight is authorized. It'll then show you where you're flying, and then it'll show you a bunch of information, including your approval number if you needed that. So that is how easy it is to request LAANC authorization with OpenSky. It's been my go-to app since the issues with AirMap. It's just easy to use and pretty straightforward. So anyway, I'm gonna get the drone up in the air and record the next video. So definitely stay tuned to the channel, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're updated when I create new videos. And also please give this video a thumbs up. That way it ranks higher in the algorithm. But I will see you guys in the next video.